Where are we?
We're at the
We're at dinner.
we're at dinner. That's where we are. We're at the what's it called?
That's an elevator.
What's this place called?
We're in the lobby of our hotel.
Yeah, we're at our hotel.
And we're having dinner right now, and it's really, really cool in here. Look at the elevator. Woo!
Into my head.
Into his head. Whoa, another one is coming out of his head. It's pretty cool. Right directly behind me is the ocean. You might not be able to see it. It's pretty cool in here. And that's me.
We're in Jeju and it's nighttime almost. Well, it's 7:45. And it's raining now, but it was nice all day since we were here.